Hey, hello and welcome. Chris here, plus artificial intelligence is currently generating $417 a day for me right now in February 2019. And I'll give you a live demo of how I'm making that $417 per day in affiliate commissions using AI, automation, and 37 software bots. So if you want traffic, you own a website, or you just want to make between $100,000 and $10,000 per month in 2019, then you must watch this preview video. So before we move forward, just want to show you some quick proof. This is my December affiliate commissions from a few of the networks I promote on. You can see we have $1,900 from Warrior, $1,600 from ClickBank, $4,600 from JV2, and there's some other accounts as well, but the total is $8,687 affiliate commissions in December. Fast forward to January and we have another $8,687, $2,000 from Warrior, $2,400 from JV2, and then this ClickBank number is actually a gross revenue number, so it's actually about 60% of this. But when you add all the numbers up, and this was only to the 28th of January, when you add all the numbers up again, you come to about $8,687. Fast forward to February in the last couple of weeks, and you see that I'm generating even more money, and you can see this spike here, which is from just one affiliate program in ClickBank, bringing in anything up to $583 per day just last week. So how exactly did I do it though? Well, the answer is with artificial intelligence, automation, and over $17,000 in development costs in the last 3 months alone. So this is an invoice I received, for example, in December from just one of my developers. And you can see that the monthly cost for November were over $6,000, and this is pretty consistent. You know, the month after this I think was about $5,000. The next invoice I get will be even larger than this. I'm just continuously making money online and reinvesting the money back into software development to scale up my income. And with the software that I've built over the last 3 months, I think this is just going to completely change my income situation, and I think it's going to change yours too. So $17,000 may seem like a lot, but was it worth it? The answer is most definitely. And I'll demonstrate exactly the technology we've built in a second. But firstly, we've built our own traffic search engine, and essentially what we've done is found the top 100,000 websites on the internet, scanned them for over 700,000 money-making opportunities, and then displayed them in one single visual search engine, which is like nothing you've ever come across before. And I'll demonstrate that towards the end of this video, so definitely watch for that one. We've also created another tool which basically, by adding one line of code, turns any website to a buyer. So it can find who the buyers are likely to be using a combination of various technologies, artificial intelligence, predictive marketing, and then it will generate a coupon or a pop-up of some kind to that buyer to convince them to go ahead and purchase. And again, I'll demonstrate that in a couple of minutes. But overall, there are 37 different software bots which I'll demonstrate. We've got an AI traffic search engine, we have a 10-in-1 website bot, and there are various other tools as well, so definitely keep watching. And before we get into that though, just a very quick recap on why now is the time to profit as an affiliate. So as I've shown you right now, I'm generating an average of $417 per day in February 2019. And 90% of my profits come from selling digital products, i.e. downloadable ebooks and software on ClickBank, Warrior and JV2. And the reason that this is my kind of focus is because with these types of products, you can earn a very high commission of anywhere from 50 all the way up to 100% of the sale. So if you're promoting a product that's $27, $37, $47, you don't need to generate too many of those types of sales to be able to make some good income. And also, the second kind of tip I want to give you is that 100% of my profits are actually possible because of automation. So because of technology and software that I'm using to find buyers, to sell to those buyers, and to scale up my business. And that's why in October, November, and December, I've invested $17,000 into this software. And this is something that goes on each and every month. I continue to reinvest every single month. And it's not just me that's focusing more and more on AI and automation. You've probably seen a lot of people in the media talk about AI, about how it's going to replace jobs, about how it's going to change over the next few years.